Forecast. Here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. A potentially stormy night tonight and more storm potential as we head into Friday night, Saturday morning. In between, nice day Thursday, nice day Sunday, but active weather pattern, and it's going to be very interesting tonight. And we'll see if that severe weather threat manifests into Acadiana. Well, it's cloudy outside and it's getting darker sooner. Why? Well, I pulled out the old summertime color curve on the enhanced satellite imagery. I haven't used this going back to last tropical season, and you can see the storms. This supercell thunderstorm cluster forming up late this afternoon, and you can see the coldest cloud tops up into portions of Arkansas and northern portions of the state where severe weather is ongoing. And the big picture showing us that severe weather threat from Missouri down through Arkansas into northern Louisiana, where a tornado watch is in effect till 8 o'clock tonight. Probably we'll see a new tornado watch for central Louisiana into Mississippi, and that may buck into portions of Acadiana, so we'll be watching that closely. Here's the severe weather threat through tonight, and the primary threat from here on out is going to be the northern part of the state where an enhanced risk, a level 3 out of 5, where there could be some long-track, long-lived tornadoes, to a level 2 risk, a slight risk for most of Acadiana and the northern parishes from I-10 on northward, to a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5. That's only a 5% chance of seeing severe weather. So the primary threat for us in Acadiana will be storms that could produce wind damage, perhaps an isolated tornado. And then we look ahead to Friday night into Saturday morning, and look at this. We're under a slight risk already an enhanced risk up into Mississippi, and these levels may level up, especially in the northern part of the state into Mississippi. So more severe weather on the way, and we're looking at multiple rounds of storms Friday night going into Saturday. But right now we have some big storms ongoing. One in eastern Texas that seems to have weakened a little bit. This is a supercell storm that is producing a severe thunderstorm warning that covers over toward Fort Polk and Vernon Parish. That's till 6:45 this evening. Other strong storms in the northern part of the state that prompted tornado warnings earlier have weakened a little bit, but nonetheless some rough and tumble weather along the I-20 corridor. And locally in Acadiana, pretty quiet, but we are seeing some showers getting a little bit stronger in Allen Parish, so the action not too far away, and some showers developing now in Vernon Parish. So as we look at the high-resolution rapid refresh model, and we may be off by an hour or two, this is looking actually a little slow to me based on current trends, but prime time for Acadiana looks to be between 10 o'clock tonight and about midnight. We could have a few individual cells that'll be capable of producing wind damage, and that's what we'll be watching through the wee morning hours. It looks like the bulk of the action will begin to wind down, and the storms also begin to weaken after midnight tonight through about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Can't say that for eastern Louisiana into Mississippi, where there'll be strong storms, and by daybreak tomorrow things will be quieting down. Taking a look at the graph model here, showing much the same with prime time. The graph a little bit sooner, at least for Lafayette, and say between 9 and about 1 a.m. for most of Acadiana, and right around midnight, give or take, for Lafayette. And again, some strong storms out there. Then it's going to be a nice, quiet, and warm day across the area for Thursday with mostly sunny skies. Could see a storm or two off to the east, but look at this. Temperatures in the mid-80s. Southerly flow comes back in, and we get ready for our next series of disturbances aloft, and this is what's really driving these, producing strong showers and storms Friday afternoon, then another round going into Friday evening that could clip Acadiana, and then there's going to be another round going into Saturday morning, so a busy pattern ahead. Showers and storms likely later on tonight. We'll say activity ends around 2 a.m., give or take a couple of hours there. Rain chance at 100%, but rain totals half inch or less, so no flooding concerns. 61 the low, 84 the high tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. Should be a lovely day and one of the warmer days so far this year. Rain chances still low for Friday with the clouds increasing, and then rain chances back up Friday night into Saturday with that severe weather threat then. But tonight, Jim, we'll be watching the storms closely and keep you apprised should something get out of hand. We'll be breaking in on air and on social media and KATC.com.